Okay, this is part 1 of assignment 4. The code has an LED pin for 9 and has a variable for brightness at 0. Sets the LED to the output and then starts a string with command where it reads the string until the until something else is written. And then there is, if it equals 1, it goes to full, LED turns on, is written. Else if the command is 0, then it turns off and it writes LEDs off. And if it starts with 2, then the value is a variable now that equals the command and adds a substring with 1 length and changes what's after it to an integer, or reads it as an integer. And then another if statement, if the value is greater than or equal to 0, and the value is less than 255, so it's in a range. The brightness equals value, so now the new value is brightness, and and now the LED pin is going to follow whatever the brightness value is, and it's going to print the brightness is set to, and it's going to print the value. And if none of those things up here are true, then it's going to print invalid brightness value, enter a value between 0 and 255. Else, serial print, it's going to print unknown command, please input 1, 0, 2. So it's going to say that it's wrong. Like, you need to input what's right. And so if you go to the serial monitor and set it to 115200 baud rate and start with 0, nothing's going to happen, but it's going to say LED is off. Put 1, then it's going to turn it on all the way to 255. And then if you put 2 space and any integer in between 0 and 255 and do 178, it'll lower the brightness, and do it again, 70, it'll lower it more, and it'll put what the brightness is set to. And if you look at the circuit on here, there is a wire that goes to the input pin 9, and the input pin 9 is then put into a 220 ohm resistor, which then goes into one side of the LED pin, and then it goes to ground from there.